Marielle, I am not a meteorologist like you, but I feel like I can do this forecast. It's going to be hot.
Here you go.
All right, dual roles today.
Yeah, it's going to be hot, Chris. I know we were talking about running a couple days ago. It's going to be dangerous to do that, especially whenever we're talking about heat index values close to 108. Yeah, what else?
I'm sweating just thinking about it.
Right?
Just the words make me sweat.
Don't look at the map then, because this is what we're dealing with, a heat advisory. That's in place for North, Central, East Texas, and portions of Arkansas, Louisiana, Oklahoma. I mean, this is a wide heat advisory, and it's in place for not just today, but also Saturday. Heat index values up to 108. That's what's going to be possible not just today, but tomorrow as well. And we are also going to be tracking that potential for ozone levels climbing throughout the course of the remainder of the afternoon. This is all due, of course, to high heat in the area. So that's something to consider if you are looking to spend some time outside. Pollution levels not looking fantastic. Our air quality is not looking great either. We are looking at, of course, an ozone action day once again today. Our air quality unhealthy, especially for sensitive groups across portions of North Texas. And right now, temperature is 94 degrees. 94 is the normal high temperature for this time of the year, and it's not even noon yet. 96 is what it feels like. By noon today, I am expecting 98 for the temperature, with feels like temperatures at about 100. So it'll feel like the triple digits by around noon. We will be in the triple digits by 103 expected around 3, 4, 5. I don't think that'll happen throughout the whole 2 hours, but I think during that time span is when we'll see that 103 number, 100 around 7. Just overall a hot day and a hot evening. Around 102 expected in Denton for the high, McKinney, Decatur as well. 101 for Greenville, Sulphur Springs, 103 in Dallas, Fort Worth, 106 in Mineral Wells, 105 in Granbury. Now, what we will notice is that some heat index values are going to be higher than about 105, and that is because of the high humidity. So at the moment, where that humidity level is, once you factor that in, it looks like we could get to about 106 for the feels like temperature in Dallas, Fort Worth, 104 in Denton, McKinney, Decatur, about 105 in Terrell, Mineola, 106 in Canton. How the weekend plays out is that today we make it to about 103. Yesterday we had a high of 102, and that brought on our 6th triple-digit heat day. Today, we're looking at our 7th. Tomorrow, we're looking at our 8th and our 9th on Sunday. On average, the month of June has 2 triple-digit heat days, so we are trending well above that if this forecast holds. So again, 103 today, 104 on Saturday. The heat advisory goes until 7 Saturday evening, about 101 on Sunday. Look at that. We could very well see some rain get added into the mix come Sunday afternoon. So what's happening is that we have a ridge of high pressure. It's centered right over North Texas into Oklahoma and Arkansas. And because of that, it's significantly limiting our rain chances across the state. Around that high pressure, we have a little bit more moisture, even some leftover monsoonal moisture across the higher terrain of Mexico into New Mexico. And that's why you do see some green on the screen. But again, it's not anywhere near North Texas. Let's see how the weekend plays out. On Saturday, this is Saturday evening, we're looking pretty dry. So today expected to be dry. Saturday, it will be dry. Sunday, most of us will be dry most of the day. This is how it plays out. This is Sunday around 9. You start to see a little rain moving into the panhandle. That's all thanks to a cold front. A cold front is going to slide into the state, and that's all thanks to high pressure slowly moving to the east, allowing for this to happen. So this is Sunday around 3. Look at the Red River. We see a little bit of rain. That cold front continues to move on to the south. That cold front will help shift our winds, and that's what brings a slight cool down into the area. Monday, during the afternoon hours, look, we could see some beneficial rainfall. This is our best shot at some rain here in our next 10 days. And we could see some of that very well linger into Tuesday, so I'll have a really small potential for rain on Tuesday. As far as how much rain, it's not going to be a lot. Anywhere between a trace to a 1/10 of an inch will be possible across North Texas. Higher amounts, the more south, and the more south and east you go. Again, it's not going to be a lot, but we'll take what we can get at this point, right? We're really settling into, again, that summertime pattern. where we have a string of triple-digit heat days for this weekend. I don't think we'll break any records because the record is 113 on Sunday. That's the hottest ever, by the way, recorded at DFW. That was in 1980, and we get nowhere near that, but we will be in the triple digits. Heat index will be slightly higher than that. Temperatures will be in the mid-90s come Monday and Tuesday. That'll be a welcome change for us, considering this intense heat we've been feeling, Chris.
Considering, yes. Hopefully everyone stays cool. Thank you very much, Marielle.